Ma'am Christy, answer. And how do I pronounce your name, sir?
My name is Jitin, ma'am. Jitin.
Jitin. Okay. Okay. Ma'am Christy, answer, Jitin. Where did you two meet?
We met online through a dating app, like you should answer this.
Yes po. Online po kami nag-meet through dating app po.
Okay. Ikaw, Ma'am Christy, during that time, nung na-meet mo sa dating app sa Sir Jitin, wala ka bang pangamba or takot knowing na he's a foreigner?
Meron po. So, kala ko po kasi dati is, puti. I mean, Western siya kasi Indian. Hindi ako makapaniwala noon na Indian siya kasi maputi siya. Kasi usually tayong mga Pilipino, ang alam natin is mga Indian is black.
Oo, moreno. That's true, Ma'am Christy, no? Kasi yung talagang kulay ni Sir Jitin is maputi din talaga siya. Parang hindi siya yung pang moreno talaga na same ng mga kulay ng mga Indiano.
Yes po.
Okay. Sir Jitin, how do you convince Ma'am Christy na to go in India despite the feelings na medyo nag-aalangan pa siya?
Actually, we were 3 years in LDR already that time. In 2012, our relation started, and it was my plan to go Philippines, but since we didn't know how to, like, what kind of country it is, so we decided that Christy will come here, and it was on, I took the guarantee she will be safe here. I talked to even Mama. I talked her relatives, everybody, that it's my guarantee she will be safe. And that time she came here, she even lost her passport in between and in a connecting country like Malaysia, and after that, we were able to finally meet 3 years in LDR in 2015.
Okay, no? What a love story, Mama Christy, no? Na-mention po ni Sir GT na nawala yung passport niya during at that time na pumunta kayo ng India. Hindi ba kayo nagdadalawang isip at that time, Ma'am Christy, or nagkakaroon ng negative na mindset na, baka sign to na wag kong ituloy?
Siyempre, bilang Pilipina po, so may ganong po ako noon na first time travel ko po talaga that time na lumabas ng bansa. So, sa tagal din ng paghihintay ko noon kasi halos 12 hours I think yung layover ko, parang na ako noon. So, nawala ko yung passport ko pero nahanap naman po, naibalik naman po sa akin. So, nakapunta pa rin ako ng India that time.
Okay. Na-mention ni Sir GT na Ma'am Christy, no, na 3 years kayo ni LDR before kayo nagkita at before ka pumunta ng India. Na-mention din niya na binigay niya lahat ng garantiya sa pamilya mo para sa safety mo dyan. Ikaw ba, Ma'am Christy, during at that time, talagang sure ka na okay, ititake ko na yung opportunity, susugal ako para sa pagmamahal ko?
Yes po, ma'am. Kasi 3 years in relationship na po kami that time. Tsaka kilala ko na po yung mga pamilya na that time. So, wala naman na po akong noon. So, gusto ko lang din siya ma-meet that time. Kahit mga nasa 20s pa lang po kami noon eh. 21 ako, siya 22. So, nilakasan ko lang po talaga yung aking loob para mag-meet kami after 3 years of LDR relationship po.
Okay. Magkaiba talaga, ma'am, no? Like, ako, I never experienced personally na magkaroon ng LDR relationship, ma'am, no? Pero based sa mga nabasa ko, mga nakita ko, siguro, magkaiba kasi talaga yung LDR. Like, for the past ilang taon, hindi kayo talaga nakikita personally, nag-uusap lang kayo through online. During that time, ma'am, no, nagkita kayo ni Sir GT, meron bang parang, like, alinlangan, or medyo nahihiya ka pa, natatakot ka pa, or the normal lang talaga na, katulad ng kung paano kayo nag-usap through LDR?
Yes po, unang kita ko po siya, malayo pa lang po kasi siya, nakita ko na siya kasi that time is long hair siya, tapos maputi. So kitang-kita ko na siya nung pabalabas na ako ng arrival gate. So, nag-alilangan po ako, promise, nag-alilangan ako that time na kung lalapitan ko siya, pero wala na akong choice, nandun na ako, tsaka siya naman yung kakilala ko doon. So, ang ginawa ko yes, that time kasi is malabo yung mata niya sa pagkamalayo. So, hindi niya ako napansin na dumaan na ako sa kanyang harapan. Tsaka, maliit po kasi ako, ma'am, so nasa 4'11 lang ako, tapos siya is 6-footer. So, nasa likod niya ako, tinapik ko lang siya. So, dito po kasi sa India, hindi siya open for hugging or kissing in public. So, ang lang namin, first impression namin sa isa't isa is shake hands, tapos tinapik niya lang yung ko. Parang magkaibigan lang po kami. So, naging, nagkapalagayan naman po kami ng loob, comfortable sa isa't isa agad.
Sir Jitin, Ma'am Christy mentioned na that's the first time you saw each other. During that time that you saw Ma'am Christy, what is the feeling after the 3 years LDR?
Yeah, so actually I have kind of weak eyesight, and I wasn't able to notice Christy right away. Like when she come from gate, I wasn't able to notice. I was waiting there for like 1 hour, and She came from behind. She came out of gate right in front of me, and she thought that I did not notice her. But I did not notice because I can't see her. And she came from like tapped in my back. She thought that I just ignored her, but it wasn't the case. I just wasn't able to. My first impression was, wow, you're so small. Like I never met such a small person at that time. Like it was very. Very surreal to me that we are meeting, and I was kind of like, oh, in person, because in the camera quality that time was very bad, and I thought I was expecting a small and kind of fat girl, but she was good that time. That in person you're better. So that was my first impression, ma'am.
Oh, I don't know if... So, Ma'am Christy, after nga kanyang sinabi niya na kaniang masyado kayong maliit para sa kanya, na-offend ba kayo or natawa kayo? Kasi ako parang natatawa ako.
Po ako sa kanya kasi hindi nga daw akalain na ganito ako kaliit. Kasi kala niya malaking babae talaga ako na as in fat talaga. Pero nagulat siya in person, hindi naman daw po.
Oo, di ba? Si Sir Jetin, Ma'am Christy, is nakakaintindi ng Tagalog konti?
Yes po, may naintindihan siya yung mga basic words po. Dahil na rin po sa work po namin is madalas nakaka-chat niya yung mga client namin na Pinay. So,
because we have that Filipino LDR travel agency, so we need to talk clients in Filipino. So I know basic words. Sometimes I'm able to make sense of what's being talked about in Tagalog, but not always.
Because my partner is worried if you understand ba daw during the conversation. Sabi ko, parang naiintindihan naman ni Sir Jetin, kay nakakapag-conversation naman siya or nakakapag-reply naman siya kahit pa paano.
Nakagets po niya yung topic na kukuha niya.
Sometimes, okay. So, after that love story, ilang taon na kayo, ma'am, ni Sir Jetin?
Kung ano po, 13 years na po kami kung susumahin from the start hanggang ngayon. Pero 6 years of marriage na po kami.
6 years of marriage. Ayan, especially yung kumukuha ng ticket, sir, no, na Philippines is a very nice place also, which is truly naman, no? The culture, the beauty, and the people that living in the Philippines is a very open-minded person, sir, no? Like what you said earlier, no races, no majority, and that's one good thing din also, the attitude of the Filipinos. We're very open din sa mga foreigner who visited in our country. Anyways, Sir Jetin, you mentioned earlier that you have 2 kids na. How
One kid and one on the way.
Yes, the one is on the way. So sooner you will have 2 kids. So how's the the basic necessities in India, like that normal family or average family can afford?
In India, ma'am, it's comparatively cost of living compared to what I saw in Philippines. It's like less than half. Like in India, it's so cheap. Everything is affordable. Grocery and every daily need necessities so much cheap. Only what expensive here is meat and like real estate. That's what's expensive here. Other than that, everything is so cheap here. Like everybody is able to afford everything here. Like we are kind of middle class here, and there's no anything we need to think about anything, and most of Indians are like that. See, again, about India, there is like India is poor country, India is not. India is kind of good also, like in economy.
Which is dapat, ma'am, no, medyo na yan talaga yung dapat makita ng ibang tao, Ma'am Christy, no, na marami din talagang mga bagay na magaganda sa India, kasi majority din ng mga nakikita ko sa online, Ma'am Christy, no, is the negative one.
Yes po, totoo po yan.
But anyways, Ma'am Christy and Sir Jetin, is there anything that you want to promote or you want to say in our Filipinos na nakikinig at saka na nanonood ngayon? Go ahead, Ma'am Christy and Sir Jetin.
As we mentioned earlier, ma'am, we have Filipino LDR Travel Agency. She's the owner there, and like how we met, like in LDR relation, we were in LDR relation, and we know how difficult, mostly for Filipinas, to visa, the travel things, the passing immigration, and marriage. So what we do now is we make people meet through our travel agency. Those in LDR relation, we make them meet. Arranging their visas, travel guidance, and their international marriage. That's what we also have a YouTube channel in Filipino LDR Travel Agency, and Facebook and our website. Those couples, those who are really looking for their partners, to meet them and having difficulties to meet them, we always here to help.
What's the name of the agency, Sir Jetin?
Filipino LDR Travel Agency, ma'am.
LDR Travel Agency.
Yes.
And how about the page in the Facebook?
Halos same lang po, madam. Filipino Indian Family Vlogs po yung page namin.
Okay. At least, ma'am, if ever mag-inquire sila, ma'am, pwede silang mag-message doon sa page sa FB and also dito sa
Yes.
LDR Travel Agency.
Yes po, madam.
Okay. Ma'am Christian Sir Jitin, thank you kaayo no sa oras at panahon na binigay ninyo sa buong Radio Cebu. Kahit pa man Ma'am Christy no, ay sa madaling araw diyan or umaga pa diyan no, kaka 6 AM pa lang diyan. Thank you ma'am sa oras at saka panahon. And also Sir Jitin, thank you for messaging also me no. Like nakasabi ko talaga ma'am na masyado namang approachable sa Sir Jitin to message me talaga and inform me regarding the interview. Sir Jitin, good morning and Ma'am Christy. Thank you. Merry Christmas in
Yes,
advance.
Yes po. Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you so
Okay.
much po.